Good day, this is the new Canon EOS R7. The box has the same design as Canon EOS R5 and R6, but it's smaller. Let's have a look what's inside. Warranty, which here in Japan is only 1 year, unlike in Europe where you get 2 years, I believe. Charger, which is exactly the same as the one that comes with EOS R6. The same goes for the battery. It's the same battery LP E6NH, which you can charge inside your camera. You get user's manual, pretty thin. I guess most of the info these days you can get on the internet. Strap. And the camera itself. First, let's have a look at the charger. As I mentioned before, it's exactly the same charger which you get with Canon EOS R6. Strap and the battery. The camera itself. Here's the R6. The viewfinder seems to be a little bit longer, which is good if you have a big nose. The grip is a little bit thinner than the one on R6. The R7 comes with the new hot shoe that allows you to connect new kinds of accessories and microphones. Okay, let's turn it on. Unfortunately, there is no charge, but that is to be expected because in recent years shipping companies started requiring that all batteries should be discharged before shipping. But this gives us opportunity to try one of the third-party batteries. In this case, I have the Neewer battery, and let's see if it's gonna work. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's on. Okay. So what do we have here? Let's set up the here. So now it's June 25th. And it's 2:11. It's 12. Okay, and let's try to set the language. So in order to set the language, we have to go to menu, then to the wrench menu, and let's go to the second tab and switch the language from Japanese to English. Okay, there it is. Canon and Nikon, those two companies that sell their cameras on the Japanese domestic market, they only include two languages in the menu, which is English and the Japanese, which is still better than Sony and Panasonic. They only include Japanese language, so if you're planning on buying one of these cameras in Japan, I guess you better learn Japanese. All right. On the side we have the following ports, which is micro HDMI, USB-C, then headphone jack, external trigger, and microphone. I'm really happy about this, that the cover is separated from the other covers, so you can just take this small part off and connect your mic, and this rest of the stuff doesn't flap here like in the other models. Front is the AF, MF switch, something new. We'll see how it's gonna work. Okay, let's put some cards in it. These are my favorite cards, Kingston canvas cards. They are really fast and reliable. I use the 256 for my RAWs and 128 for my JPEGs as a backup. And this is the EFS 17 to 55 mm f2.8 with the Canon EF EOS R adapter. Let's go out and take some pictures with it. If you are interested in this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I'll be uploading my thoughts on this camera in coming days and weeks. Thank you for watching.